Hey guys, Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about a work from home system that is invoice based. It's pretty much email processing system on steroids. It's called Invoice Processing Elite. It is a new work from home system that allows you to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a month from home from your computer. Now, what I'm going to do in this very specific video is I'm going to show you how to process those invoices when they come in so that you can be in position to get paid. Now, when someone comes into your system, they're going to watch, they're going to go to your capture page, your replicated system page, and they're going to come to a video that looks something like this. They'll watch it, of course, and immediately a button will pop up. If they're ready to get started, they will submit a invoice request form. Once they click on that, immediately the program, no BS, it explains to them exactly how much it is. So you're going to weed out tire kickers. The system is going to tell them immediately, this is how much it costs to join. Okay. So if they're serious about joining, they watch the video, they're ready to get started, they're going to submit an invoice request. They will fill out their name, their email, their mobile number, and they're going to let you know how they prefer to pay. Okay, so this is based on the payment methods that you put into the system. Okay, once they hit submit your invoice request, you will get a notification in your back office. So let's go over to our back office, and what you're going to want to know is, like, right here, this little thing up here where it says Invoice Processing Elite. Every time you hit that, that will take you back to your dashboard. Okay, actually I gotta log in, so hold on one second, I'm gonna pause that. Okay, so this is your dashboard. This is where you will see all of your sales page and capture pages. Just so you know, that's your dashboard. You can also see your earnings. All right, so again, in this specific video, we're going to talk about how to process that invoice once they've submitted an invoice request. So we're going to go over to a little document that I created, and we did step 1, which is to log into your back office. Step 2 is to check your invoice request. So let's go over and do that. Oops, sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. Let me actually close that out. Actually, I'm going to move this that way. All right, so right over here, you're going to click where it says Processing Center and Invoice Request. This is going to allow you to see your invoice requests. Okay, so we did that step. Now what you're going to do is you're going to send them an email. Okay, so if you go over here to right here under Fast Start Trainings, it's going to say IPE invoicing emails. And what you want to do is, depending on the payment options that you set up in your back office, you just want to copy the one that applies. So this person told me that they want to pay via Cash App. So what I'm going to do is copy the Cash App invoice email. So I just literally copy it. Oops. Why can't I copy today? Okay, there we go. So you just copy this. All right. Okay, so what I've done is do a Word document. So that when I'm processing invoices, I have everything in one place. So you copy this and I put it in a Word document. Let me drag this over here. Okay, so you see it says Cash App invoice email. You can put in a person's name. So I'm going to say hello Rhonda, because that's the person who requested the invoice. Hello, blah, blah, blah. I don't need to change any of this. It's just asking them to agree. And then you have to put in your partnership agreement link. Okay. So again, once you do this template for anyone who pays Cash App, you don't have to change anything but their name. This is why this is important. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, the way you find your partnership agreement link is you're going to go back to your dashboard again, hit the Invoice Processing Elite button. It takes you back to the dashboard, scroll down, and it's going to say contract. It says partnership agreement. Okay, I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to come over to my Word document. And I'm going to paste it here where it says paste your partnership agreement link there. That's my agreement link. That link is where they make an agreement with the company agreeing to the no refund policy, right? That protects the integrity of the program. Like, this isn't like, oh, you try out this digital product and if you don't like it. No, that's not how it works. Like in the digital world, if you steal digital products, it's theft. Okay. So that's how that works. They're agreeing to the terms of the company terms. The next thing, it says to complete your payment, please send $250 via Cash App to the address listed below. This is where I'm going to put my Cash App name. So I'm going to put my Cash App name and my and my document is done. The only thing I need to do is put my name here where it says enroller's name, and now I'm done. Anytime somebody pays me via Cash App, I can't, or they request the invoice and say I want to pay via Cash App, I literally just go here, copy this, and send it to them. Okay, so now that you have copied your email that you put together real quick, and like I said, once you do a template, you don't have to keep changing this, right? You go and you send it to the person via their email. So right here in the system, it will tell you right here what their email address is. So go ahead and just send it to them in Gmail or whatever email user you use. You just paste that email in Gmail and boom, hit send. Okay. Now, once you press send, you're just going to hit send invoice. Okay. And then it will turn yellow. It will say invoice sent. That's all you have to do. Now you're just waiting on them to pay you. Once they pay you, we'll come back for video number 2 and I'll show you how to confirm their payment. That's the simple process of getting invoices sent using the invoice processing system and collecting $250 commissions. Pretty simple. Now, before you go, now that I've explained how to process those invoices, let me tell you about this processing system. So this is an amazing work from home system that allows you to earn unlimited $250 commissions from home. There are no monthly fees. It pays 100% commissions, meaning when you get a commission, you get all $250 of your coins, and you get paid literally for processing invoices. Now, I'm going to explain some additional ways outside of earning these $250 commissions that this program positions you to earn. Okay, additional ways you can earn income, and it's pretty powerful because there's no other program like this in the internet space. So you're going to want to pay close attention. So the way this program works is you join, okay, you pay your $250 or $25 admin fee, and you join, and you will get pre-rent ads that you can begin to start marketing on social media, okay, your Facebook, so on and so forth. If you're like me, I do video marketing as well. You could do that as well. Once someone joins and pays the $250 commission, you just process their invoice. And then you collect $250 commissions, okay? So I mentioned before that the value of this program is that there's a lot of people in the internet space that they're trying to learn social media marketing, and there's a lot of pieces to social media marketing and online marketing, okay? What this program is going to teach you how to do is how to learn offline marketing strategies for people who want to kind of either learn how to make money while they're learning online marketing, or they don't even want to be in an online space at all. Okay, some people just want to be behind the scenes offline and making money. Okay, so this program is also for those people. Okay, so you're going to get access to a digital marketing vault where it's going to solve not only your traffic problems, but also your cash flow problems, which we'll talk about in the next slides. The 6-figure courses that you get access to are valued at over $10,000. You're going to get access to an affiliate marketing cheat code. You're going to get access to a course called How to Sponsor More People. So if you're that person who you're like, hey, I'm in online marketing, I've been trying to build my online marketing programs, and I need to learn how to sponsor more people, you're going to get access to a course on that. You're going to get access to a 3T cash flow course. Cash flow is one of the major reasons why people online either give up or they go back to working, or they just, a lot of reasons. It's going to show you how you could triangulate cash flow so that 360 you have cash flow coming around. Okay, you're going to get access to My Daily Income Goal course, which is going to show you whatever your income goal is, how to beast that out. If your income goal is $250 a day, $350 a day, $500 a day, how do you actually do that in a strategic way? Not just saying, oh, I want to make 5K a month, I want to make 10K a month, I want to make 3K a month. But how do you strategically do that? You're going to get access to a mailbox domination course. How many of you out there have seen mailbox programs, mailer programs, and you said, oh, or some of you have even joined mailbox programs, but you can never figure out how to make it work? This is a 6-figure course from someone who's actually made 6 figures in mailbox programs, and they're giving their secrets. So you're going to get access to that. You're going to get access to SMS marketing basics course. So for those of you who want to do SMS marketing, you're going to get access to that course. There is an ad copy elite traffic masters course. Okay, so if you're an online marketer and you want to learn how to get better at copywriting, listen, copywriting will make you a lot of money. I know from experience, right? If you want to learn copywriting, is things like knowing how to write the perfect email, how to make the right social media post that converts leads into sales, or people into leads and then into sales. That's what you get access to. And then you're going to get access to PLR Video Vault, which includes additional trainings on some of these marketing and traffic issues. So if you're struggling with traffic, you need this traffic vault, okay? So that's the part of the product that you get when you join this program for $250. Okay, well worth the investment. Okay, but what is even more valuable? Again, I mentioned that there's a lot of people who they want to learn how to make money offline. They want to learn how to do that. This program has some core programs inside of it that will teach you how to make money in the offline space. So you essentially have access to offline business vault. It's going to solve a lot of your cash flow programs, and these actual courses have low learning curves. So it's not like something you're going to have to be like, oh my God, I need to be a genius to be able to implement these strategies. One of the courses is a smacking and stacking casino course. If you've ever been to a casino, you've ever wondered, how can I walk into a casino and literally almost predict like what machines will pay out, and be able to walk into a casino and walk out with earnings? This is what that course is going to teach you how to do. It's called Smacking and Stacking Casino course. Okay. The next course that you're going to get access to is a medical commodities course. I myself am a diabetic. If you don't know what medical commodities is like basically flipping diabetic supplies. Okay. So for example, my doctor gives me like a certain stash of diabetic supplies every single month. I have a script. Okay. Whatever is left over and extra, if I have a box that's unopened, it's almost like medical flipping and drop shipping. So I can like say, hey, I'll buy that box from you for $3, but then there's a company that will pay me, lots of money for, a set of those boxes of diabetic testing strips. And you, in your own community, you're probably seeing signs all around your town saying, we will buy diabetic testing strips. You've probably seen that. Why would somebody be doing that? Because this is big industry. Pharma is big industry, and these companies will write you invoices and checks. Okay. The great thing also about this is that 95% of the tasks in medical commodities can be outsourced. So literally you can create an invoice and get paid. So if you're looking to create a passive stream of income, that is what this is for. The next thing that you get access to is in the PLR vault, there's a course called Cash Out on Fiverr, which shows you how to do service drop shipping. I myself am I'm a coach, but I'm also a digital marketing, digital microservice provider, meaning that I provide services to entrepreneurs and businesses, so on and so forth. So I was excited to see this because that is an amazing way to create consistency in your income, is by providing services, right? Business always moves, and businesses always need services done, either because they don't know how to do it or they don't have the time to do it. So by learning service drop shipping, you could create consistency in your cash flow that has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. So the thing that I love about these programs, these courses that are built into the system, is that if you're looking to create leverage and stability in your income, adding in some offline make money systems, I should say, I shouldn't even say programs, but systems, that is what this is going to help you to do. Okay. All right. Now, when you partner with me, I give bonuses, and I'm going to tell you right now, you're not going to find the bonuses that I give from anybody else. You know how I know this? I have people from other teams, people from other programs in my inbox on a daily basis saying, we see your people winning. I want what you got. I want what they got. Okay, so my bonuses are valued at over $2,000. You're going to get access to my daily 6 formula. This is my daily routine. I've been using it for over 3 years. It's helped me top the leaderboards in my internet marketing programs and get big checks and create consistency in my income. It's called the daily 6 formula. So if you don't want to be spending all day on social media, you want to know like how to consistently build leads, sales, and authority, right, in the online space, you want access to that. The second thing you're going to get access to when you join this program is you're going to get access to my blueprint coaching group. That's where you want to be. If you're tired of like signing up with people, you can never access them, I'm accessible in that group. And I also provide Thursday social media trainings. Okay, so you will get access to that when you join this. All right, so you can see over here, some of my members one of my members was talking about how her leads have exploded, and she's trying to keep up with all the leads because of this daily 6 formula. Okay, so you will get access to that. If you have other make money online programs in your toolbox, or you want to learn how to leverage social media in general, you want access to these 2 bonuses. Okay, and then you know, so the total value that you're going to get from this program is over $17,000 in value. You're going to get access to my daily 6 passive income formula. That's $2,000 value, which again, my daily routine for success on social media without spending all day or wasting time on social media. You're going to access to my blueprint coaching group. You're going to get 4 offline make money online courses valued at over $5,000. You're going to get 8 6-figure traffic courses valued at over $10,000. That's over $17,000 in value that you will get when you invest $250, and not only being able to make unlimited $250 commissions, but you're going to get the knowledge on how to build passive income streams, right, that have nothing to do with affiliate or online marketing, right? So that's where you get access to. So here's how you get started. You can request your invoice. Now, before you request your invoice, don't just request the invoice. You have to have $250 plus a $25 admin fee. If you have $275, you can go ahead and request your invoice at join.my250paydays.com. Again, join.my250paydays.com. I look forward to helping you get started, and we'll see you on the other side. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. Bye, guys.